Students, now we are going to see that even and odd functions. If f of x equal to f of minus x, then f of x said to be even functions. So the example of even functions x squared x power 4 plus 3x squared plus 2 cos x comma etc. are the examples of even functions. Okay, then you have to see that odd functions. F of x equal to minus f of minus x, it will be there, means that f of x said to be an odd function. That example, x cube comma 2x cube plus 3x sin 2x are the examples of odd functions. Now you have to see that properties of odd and even functions. So first property, integral over minus a to a f of x dx equal to 0 if f of x is odd. If f of x is even, that integral value it will be 2 times integral 0 to a f of x dx. Okay, now you have to see that you have to prove this these two properties. So integral minus a to a f of x dx, you have to split the integrals minus a to a to 0, 0 to a. So f of x dx, here also you have to write f of x dx. In the first integral on the right hand side, you have to put instead of x is equal to minus y. So first you have to see that the integral value. So the lower limit x equal to minus a. So x equal to minus a, x equal to minus y. Instead of x you have to substitute minus a. So minus minus it will get cancelled. So y is equal to a. So when you have to substitute minus a, your answer y answer is a. Then you have to substitute x equal to 0, that y is also 0. So x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Now you have to substitute the limits. So instead of minus a to 0, you have to substitute a to 0. So a to 0, f of, instead of x, you have to substitute minus y. So dx minus dy equal to, now you have to change the limits, the sign also it will be changed. So you have to change the limits. So 0 to a, f of minus y dy. Now you have to see that 0 to a. So variables are equal only, no? So you have to substitute f of, instead of y you have to write that x. So f of minus x into dx. So minus a to a f of x dx. So the first integral, so 0 to a f of minus x plus the second integral is 0 to a f of x dx. Now you have to see that if f of x is an odd function, so f of, already we know the properties, f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. In the first integral you have to substitute minus f of x. So already here f of x is there, so minus f of x it will be 0. So when f of x equal to odd function, the integral value is 0. When it is even function, so f of minus x is equal to f of x. So f of minus x is equal to f of x. Here also only f of x is there. So 2 times 0 to a f of x if f of x is an even function. Okay, thank you.